All right, let's talk about De La Cruz 10% sulfur ointment, the skincare equivalent of saying, okay, let's get serious. If your face has ever thrown a surprise party of bumps and cysts, and you definitely did not RSVP to this, your little jar here is one of those old school remedies that dermatologists and skincare nerds alike keep in their back pockets. And this is the smaller version, although it's not that small. So what even is sulfur in skincare? Basically, this sulfur-based ingredient has been used forever because it helps dry out excess oil, calm inflammation, and gently discourage zit stuff to chill out. It's not witchcraft, it's chemistry that's been around longer than half the beauty trends on social media. And because it's 10% sulfur, this ointment strikes a balance, potent enough to help with cystic acne and stubborn pimples, but still something you can use without needing a lab coat. The texture is kind of thick and paste-like, so it's not the kind of thing that you slather on all over your face like a cream. Think of it more of like targeted precision zoning. Spot treat the angry ones overnight, let it do its work while you catch up on sleep. You won't smell like a chemistry set forever, but yes, it does have that classic sulfur scent, not that great. It's kind of medicinal, sort of like a spa you didn't sign up for, but you will appreciate later. And in terms of performance, it can be very effective for cystic bumps that don't respond to gentle cleaners alone. It's affordable, it works well for targeted use, and cuts through oil and inflammation. But, it's not moisturizing, so you might want to consider pairing it up with some good hydration. Sensitive skin types might also want to patch test it first, because it's meant to do a little heavy lifting, not soothe like a fluffy cream. In a nutshell, this stuff is not pretty, not glamorous, and you might wake up smelling vaguely like a science experiment, but if you've ever looked at a pimple and thought, please, just go down, this is the sort of thing that can actually help make that happen. And a big side note for me, I initially purchased this to help me deal with my rosacea, which it did. I still suffer from standard zits too, though, and this stuff also does the trick. Recommend.